Alright, so we're down in Booth Bay at Maine Botanical Gardens. This place looks really awesome. We're just getting ready to check it out. It's 24 bucks for an adult and $10 a kid. Or like us, you got 3 kids, you can get a family pass for 58, I believe. 48 or 58. And then buy an extra kid for 10 bucks. Anyway, this place looks awesome. There's some trolls we're going to show you. And just some nature. So yeah, check it out with us.
Oh, that sounds cool.
Woo! Is there anything inside the troll cave?